This is a car. This is the way we were moving, and a car from other side hit us and enter into our way. And here you can see the glasses on the road, and suddenly struck our car so hard that small baby started crying. Both the doors went inside, and just look at our car. Baby is still inside the car and crying. Side window broken. You can see there. Yes. You can see this. It's a major